Hello, my name is Giorgio Molinari. I'm coming from Italy. I spent my last week here in Sri Lanka. It has been a fantastic period for me. We have been visiting a lot of very exclusive places like Sigiriya, like the Pigeon Island, where we have been snorkeling on the coral barrier, and we have seen so many colorful fishes. Fantastic. We got very good food everywhere on the island.
Hello, I stay here in Sri Lanka 1 week in back August 2022. We have a good holiday with very fantastic people, and we visit all the things of Sri Lanka about the nature, the beach, and the situation is very safety for all.
I really encourage all my friends in Europe, in North America, wherever in the world, to detach a little bit from the stress of the Western European kind of life and take a break in this place where you have such a fantastic nature with the wild animals all around. Really an incredibly very good place to come, to visit, to spend time with family or with friends. Thank you.